tonight, which is awesome. Baldy get pissed off. That's too bad. That is. God damn. Piece of shit. Asshole. Fucking TV. Goddamn free shit. Fucking trailer trash piles of garbage. Fucking TV. Damn fuckers. Asshole set. That's how you fix it. In the old days it worked all the time. Whoa, it just got all staticky all of a sudden. What's that one mean? High voltage shutdown. That can't be good. Motherfucker, motherfucker, motherfucker. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. Asshole. The goddamn cat's fault, that's what it is. Yeah, you like that, huh, bitch? Yeah, how about that? Well, so that? Damn it. Pile of fucking monkey shit. Asshole set. Garbage. Back to that code 10 again. Let's get back to the high voltage code. It's much better.